channel. Today I will be showing you how to wear Jir-ik. I have uploaded one video in my channel and styles of wearing Jir-ik. And in that video I got a comment that somebody suggested me to show how to wear Jir-ik. So today I'm taking that moment to show you how to wear Jir-ik. I don't have the real Jir-ik, but we use this as Jir-ik. This is actually called kipa, but Jir-ik is also exactly like that, but it's actually the length is shorter than kipa. But then we can use this kipa as Jir-ik. So I will be showing you wearing this kipa as Jir-ik. So let's think that this is Jir-ik for a short moment, and don't skip the video. You see the video from beginning to till the end, then only you will be able to learn how to wear Jir-ik. So wearing Jir-ik, we need this Jir-ik and pini. This is pini and one cup. This is called one cup. One cup. We are wearing this Jir-ik as tops, and then it became our tradition. And now in this modern days also we are using this Jir-ik along with tops. On top of tops we tie this Jir-ik. But then in olden days the ladies of Karbi, they don't wear tops. They wear only this Jir-ik, and they look very beautiful in it. So I will be showing you. So keep watching my video from beginning till the end. Okay? So guys, now I have complete wearing these tops, and then after wearing tops and lowers we have to wear this pini. So after wearing pini, I will tie Jir-ik here. So keep watching to wear this pini. Guys, after wearing the pini, you have to tie this one cup. So you see how I'm tying this? Okay. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to wear this Jir-ik. Means how to tie this Jir-ik. So that simple method I will show you, and then another one more style how we are wearing in this present days. I will show you that one style, and with that I will start my video. So cover this, then like that. So guys, it's finally done. This is how olden people wear Jir-ik. So this is how we wear Jir-ik. This next style, watch carefully, okay? Just keep this end beside this way. Like the previous one, just keep this side beside. This way you don't need to expose your belly. This style it's very comfortable. Done. How does it look? Is it beautiful? This, if you want to see more style, you can check in my last video. There is different style of wearing Jir-ik. You will see different style how I'm wearing Jir-ik there. So today in today's video I just showing you how to wear jir-ik.